A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Mother Nature, beyond generosity and grace. Ladies and gentlemen, across the limitless expanse of the cosmos, existence does not arise in isolation. It aligns. Energy condenses into matter. Time gives rhythm to transformation, and space allows all movement to breathe. From distant galaxies to the smallest particle, creation reveals coherence rather than chance. Within this vast orchestration, Earth emerges not merely as a planet but as a rare convergence where energy learned to sustain life and life awakened into awareness. This living system is often called Mother Nature, though her essence extends far beyond nurture or generosity. She is intelligence, expressed as balance, continuity, and quiet design. Modern science affirms that everything from starlight to thought is energy, shaped by laws that neither favor nor fail. Ancient wisdom arrived at this realization through Adi Shakti, the primordial force that creates, sustains, and transforms without depletion. What physics defines as conservation of energy, ancient insight recognized as continuity without beginning or end. Earth embodies an extraordinary harmony within this cosmic order. The five elements: space, air, fire, water, and soil function like a perfectly tuned orchestra. None dominates, none withdraws. Together they produce abundance. Light arrives daily without demand. Air sustains without ownership. Water renews without memory. Soil generates life again and again, expecting nothing in return. This is not generosity born of emotion. It is generosity embedded in design. Life itself is a living circuit. Forests exchange nutrients through unseen networks. Oceans move heat across hemispheres to preserve balance. The human body survives because trillions of cells cooperate silently, each serving the whole. Intelligence observed closely reveals a universal preference. Systems thrive not through excess but through equilibrium. Human beings hold a rare position within this living architecture. Thought, intention, and emotion are subtle energies, unseen yet consequential. Under cosmic law, energy does not vanish, it reorganizes. Every thought inclines action. Every action joins the continuum. Nothing stands alone. Everything participates. Mother Nature does not advise or admonish. She responds through resonance. Each sunrise is not merely a beginning. It is a reminder that renewal arises from alignment. Rivers remain alive by flowing forward, not by holding still. Trees grow by sharing oxygen, not by holding sunlight. Stability repeatedly is sustained through circulation. What's the way forward? From this awareness emerges quiet clarity. Human purpose is not conquest nor withdrawal. It is conscious participation. To think positively, act purposefully, and move progressively with wisdom, compassion, and courage is to live in resonance with life itself. Progress, when aligned, amplifies continuity rather than interrupting it. A deeper reflection follows naturally. A human lifespan is energy briefly gathered into form, meant not merely to consume but to contribute. Elevation, as nature demonstrates endlessly, arises from adding value to the flow of existence. Sharing with care becomes not morality but alignment. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Mother Nature exists beyond generosity and grace. She embodies a timeless law that life flourishes when intelligence serves balance and action honors continuity. True reverence is not ritual alone. It is lived harmony with this law. As Lord Krishna resounds in the revered Bhagavad Gita, when action flows in harmony with the universal order, it frees the soul and sustains the world. In this harmony lies humanity's truest role: to live, to contribute, and to elevate existence itself in silent partnership with the cosmic intelligence that sustains all life. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.